And I've been acting all my life. Ngithole 3 days lapha, ngithole 5 days lapha, ngithole the longest contract engaba nayo kwaba is May, June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, kwaba is 6 months. Yaba from May to October. That was the biggest contract engake ngaba nayo, and that was Generations a long time ago. I was a call act. Yini call act? A call actor umuntu who gets paid according to the number of days abizwe ngawo uzoshoot. I always survived. Bengiloke ngiphila as an actor. Niyabona ukuthi kunzima kanjani? Bengiqala ngomkhokha ukuthola icontract, ngashuthi first season, ngashuthi second season. And the drama series esayishootha every 2 months. Eyidlala every Sunday ngo8:30. Ekuyona eyasenza ukuthi umkhokha sithole ibe telenovela.